Good evening, Rutgers. Philip Ye here in your WeatherWatcher studio, bringing you your Monday, December 5th, 2016 forecast for the New Brunswick area. Not much going on right now, but that looks to change in the forecast. But first, let's take a look at our almanac. You can see that we got down to a low of 34 degrees, which is above our average low of 30. Our high of 49 degrees was very close to the average of 48 for this time of the year. We were nowhere near our record low of 11 sit back in 1926 or our record high of 74 sit back in 1998. Sunrise and sunset times as indicated at the bottom of your screen. You can see from our low temperatures tonight that Sussex will be our cool spot with a low of 27 degrees. New Brunswick here we can expect a low of 28 degrees, Millville a low of 34, and a low of 38 in Wildwood. For the rest of the Northeast, you can see that Baltimore is expecting a low of 36. We'll have a low of 32 in Lancaster, low of 26 in Mount Pocono and Poughkeepsie, and a low of 30 in Hartford. For our regional satellite, you can see that there's a few lake effect showers to upstate New York, and there's not much going on here, and there's a few clouds to our south. But if we zoom out, you can see that there is a low pressure system sitting south of the Louisiana-Texas border. This low will gradually move towards our area tonight into tomorrow, and a coastal low will form offshore and bring some rain to our region and some snow into the Appalachians. There's another low pressure system sitting in the Dakotas bringing some blizzard conditions to the area, and another low in the Pacific Northwest bringing some snow actually to Seattle and Portland. For our futurecast, you can see that the rain moves into our region by tomorrow around 5 p.m. Rain continues with some snow showers to our north, but mostly rain here. And that ends by Wednesday morning, and it clears out for a short time, but clouds build back in, and there's a chance for some mixed precipitation, but mostly rain for our area by Thursday morning. But that will be very brief and will move out, bringing clear conditions for the rest of Thursday. For tonight, we're expecting a low of 28 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions. Winds will be from the northwest at 5 to 9 miles per hour. For tomorrow morning at 9 a.m., we're expecting temperatures to be around 35 degrees with mostly cloudy conditions. We'll see winds from the northeast at 7 miles per hour. And as I step out for our extended outlook, for tomorrow we're expecting a high of 45 degrees with some afternoon rain and a low of 41. On Wednesday, there's a chance of a few lingering showers, otherwise mostly cloudy with a high of 48 and a low of 32. On Thursday, there's another chance for some showers, maybe even a slight wintry mix, a high of 45 degrees and a low of 27. Mostly sunny conditions for Friday with a high of 40 degrees and a low dropping all the way to 22 degrees. This will be the coldest weather that we'll see for the season so far. And Saturday, sunny conditions with a high of just 37 degrees and a low of 24. Sunday, mostly cloudy with temperatures rising back to the 40s, the high of 41, low of 34, and another chance of rain on Monday with a high of 49 degrees. If you missed us, you can always check us out on RUTV channel 23.1 every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook at RUWeatherWatcher, follow us on Twitter at RUTVWW, and add the hashtag RUWeather, or check us online at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Philip Ye. Thanks for watching and have a great evening, Rutgers.